Good morning, all my dear students. Today's topic is Windows 7, more on Windows 7. So, first I am telling you what is Windows. As you know that Windows is an operating system, and Windows 7, it is version of Windows operating system. So, my dear students, Windows 7 is the version of Windows operating system and it has many utility programs. These utility programs are called accessories. So my dear students, in this chapter we will read these accessories, means these utility programs which we use in Windows 7 environment. Okay my dear students. So I am telling you one by one all utility programs. First is Windows Media Player. Windows Media Player is the first utility of Windows 7. And what is the use of Windows Media Player? Windows Media Player can run digital media files. Digital media file means audio files and video files both. You can also listen radio stations if internet connection is available in your computer system. You can also play the songs, music, and you can also copy the data, means media files, and you can also create CDs or DVDs with the help of Windows Media Player. It helps to copy music and video files in portable devices. In any other portable device, if you want to copy your song or your digital media files, so you can do it with the help of Windows Media Player. Next is RIP. R-I-P. What is the meaning of RIP? RIP means to copy CD to your computer. My dear students, suppose you have any CD or DVD in which you have some songs or music and you want to copy it in your computer system. So you can do it with the help of Windows Media Player. Windows Media Player can give the facility to copy the data, to copy your digital media files from CD or DVD to your computer system. So this process is called RIP or ripping. Next is burning a CD. My dear students, what is the meaning of burning a CD? Don't confuse by the name that burning means to burn anything with the help of fire. With the help of means we use the fire and we burn anything. No. Burn means copy data to a CD. Suppose in your computer system you have some songs or videos or music and you want to copy it in the CD or DVD. So this process is called burning. This process you can do with the help of Windows Media Player. Windows Media Player also gives this facility. Windows Explorer. Sorry my dear students, not Windows Media Player, Windows Explorer. In the Windows Explorer we can use burn facility. Apart of Windows Explorer, some other softwares which gives the facilities to use the burning process, like Neuro software, Express Burn software. These software you can also install in your computer system and you can use these softwares to burn a CD. It means to use to make a CD or DVD from computer to your disk, from computer to your CD or DVD. So any file or any song, music that you can use in your CD, in your DVD with the help of burning software. Next is disk cleanup. My dear students, what is the meaning of disk cleanup? You know that in our computer system there is permanent memory. You know what is the name? Hard disk. Hard disk is the memory in which we store all the data. But some data is unnecessary. It is not necessary, it is not required, but it is stored in the hard disk, and it is occupying some space of our memory. But I don't want these files, this data. So disk cleanup process is used to free disk space, and when the disk space will be free, so our computer can work faster, because it removes the temporary internal and downloaded program files, empties the recycle bin, and delete the other items that are not being used for a long time. So these types of files which we are not using from a long time, these types of files or folders or data, it can remove. So disk cleanup is very important feature of Windows 7, because it can make your hard disk free. Okay, my dear students. Next some additional features of Windows 7. In Windows 7 there are some additional features also which we use in Windows 7. These additional features I am telling you one by one what is the use of these features. First is touch screen. Everybody know about the touch screen. By the touch screen we can use our fingers, and we can browse anything, we can open any file. Means the click option we can do with the help of our fingertip. So this is called touch screen. This facility Windows 7 also gives, so very easily we can work in touch screen environment. Next is snap. What is snap? Snap is the faster method to resize the open window. Suppose any window which is opened and we want to resize it, so snap option of Windows 7 you can use. Next is shake. What is the use of shake feature? Suppose we open more than one windows. On one window we are working and the other windows we minimize. So what is the use of shake option? Shake option can disappear all the open windows. Apart only working window, means the current window on which we are working, that window it will not disappear. So a part of current window, other windows it can disappear. This is the shake option or shake feature. Next is arrow flip 3D. What is the use of this feature? This feature can show the preview of all open windows as a stack. Stack means one and one is one upon another. We can say many items, and one upon another we arrange all the items. Okay, so one by one item and the second item at the top of first item, third item at the top of second item. This type of stack when we make. So this type stack you can show in computer system when you open many windows. So arrow flip 3D can show the preview of all windows, all open windows as a stack. Next option, next feature is jump list. Jump list also the additional feature of Windows 7. It is used to view the pinned document. Pinned document, pictures, songs or websites that we used frequently. Some websites, some pictures, some documents we use frequently, many times we use it. So jump list feature can show these websites, these pictures, these documents which we use frequently. And the next feature is Windows Media Center. Windows Media Center is similar as first feature which I told to you, Windows Media Player. So Windows Media Center and Windows Media Player, it is something similar. Windows Media Center is used to watch TV, movies and other video content in the Windows Media Player or Windows Media Center. Okay, so Windows Media Center is used basically to watch video content, and with the help of cable connection, if you have the cable connection, so you can watch and record the TV shows also. You can watch the TV shows and you can record the TV shows with the help of Windows Media Center. So my dear students, these are additional features of Windows 7. So my dear students, in this class I told you about some additional features and some main features of Windows 7. I think that these are very much clear to you. Then you can do the exercises which I will give you in the classroom. Okay my dear students, so do the studies, and if any problem comes, so you can tell me. Okay, thanks to my dear students.